So one particularly useful new feature for the dashboard is something called permission sets. Now, permission sets can be applied for API interactions, but as a dashboard user, you're likely to be using that when it comes to member management. So as you can see, you can invite new members to your application and to your workspace. But it may be that some members have higher permissions than others. So you may want to give a little bit more visibility over data for a certain specific role. Now, the way that you would add that is by jumping into permission sets in your settings tab. So what we want to do here is we want to create a new permission set, and you can see down here, these are all of the API endpoints. Now, the reason it's structured like this is because the new basic dashboard has all of the functionality within the dashboard that you can use just on an API level. So it's the way that we've decided to split this out. So let's say we want to create a new permission set for all support members. We're going to give it a name, and for these specific support members, we're only going to allow them access to account and account level information. Everything else is considered private, so we're just going to allow just these two endpoints, only accounts. So once we've selected these, we're going to scroll down and we're going to save those changes. What this means now is when I go and I invite a new member to the company workspace, we're going to actually jump in and say bridgetbasic.io, and we're going to apply this specific permission set to that user's profile. So once I've sent that, and we're just going to say also, let's just give them access to the demo application. Once I send that invitation off to them, Once I've sent that invitation off to them, they're going to receive that and they will then sign up to the dashboard themselves. Once they've signed up and they jump into the regular application, which is the one you've invited them to, they will only be able to see what you've given them permission to see. Now, you can create as many permission sets as you need, and they are optional, but it's a great way to control visibility over your end users' data.